On July 11, 2022, an important milestone was reached when the first ever science image from the James Webb Space Telescope was revealed. This image instantly set a new record for the deepest view of the universe ever captured, an incredible achievement. Before this, the Hubble Space Telescope held the record, starting with its original deep field image in the mid-1990s and breaking its own record multiple times over the years. When you compare Webb's first image with similar ones taken by Hubble of the same region of the sky, you can clearly see how much more detail Webb can capture. But what exactly are we seeing in this deep field image? And how much more does it reveal about the universe? Before we dive into comparing the images, let's first look at the differences between the two telescopes because they are not the same. While Webb is often referred to as Hubble's replacement, NASA prefers to call it a successor. Webb mainly observes the universe in infrared, whereas Hubble focuses on optical and ultraviolet light, though it also has some infrared capabilities. Both telescopes are reflecting telescopes and work in a similar way. Light bounces off a large primary mirror onto a smaller secondary mirror, which then directs it through a hole in the primary mirror to instruments for analysis. Hubble's mirror is 2.4 meters, 7.9 feet, wide, while Webb's much larger honeycomb-shaped mirror measures 6.5 meters, 21.3 feet, across, making it the largest mirror ever sent to space. Webb's mirror is made of lightweight beryllium coated with a thin layer of gold, making it highly sensitive to infrared light and able to see farther back in time than Hubble. The two telescopes also differ in their locations and cooling needs. Hubble orbits Earth, but Webb operates from a point 1.5 million kilometers, about 1 million miles, away called the second Lagrange point, L2. Now that we understand how the telescopes differ, let's look at their images. Both show a galaxy cluster called SMACS 0723, which is 4.6 billion light-years away. This region is fascinating to astronomers because the gravity of its galaxies bends the light of even more distant galaxies behind them, a phenomenon known as gravitational lensing. Thanks to gravitational lensing, Webb can see much farther into space. Some light from these distant objects appears curved or distorted. NASA explains that the light Webb detects is over 13 billion years old, meaning these distant galaxies formed just a few 100,000 years after the Big Bang. Amazingly, this image covers a patch of sky about the size of a grain of sand held at arm's length from the ground. Compared to Hubble's image of the same area, Webb's photo shows distant galaxies in much sharper detail. Objects that appeared as faint smudges in Hubble's view now come into clear focus thanks to Webb. By capturing light that has traveled across the universe for billions of years, Webb lets us see the universe as it was billions of years ago. In this image, even the closer galaxies in the cluster appear as they looked 4.6 billion years ago. This photo is just one of 5 released, giving Earth a glimpse into the distant past. Over the coming years, Webb will continue Hubble's legacy by taking us even deeper into space than ever before. While the best discoveries are yet to come, each new image, especially in these early stages, opens a new chapter in the 13.8 billion year history of the cosmos. The universe will never look the same again. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future updates. See you next time.